If the company you're invested in is burning cash every single quarter, how long before the lights go out? That's not a hypothetical, that's a number, and my system calculates it automatically. It's called the zombie death clock. Most investors obsess over earnings. I look at something simpler, cash. How much does the company have? How fast are they spending it? Divide one by the other and you get a number in months. That's the death clock. If it's under 24 months, that company is on borrowed time. If it's dropping quarter over quarter, the clock is accelerating. Let me show you a real example. Rivian, ticker RIVN. My system flagged it as a zombie. Now on the surface, Rivian looks fine. Revenue is growing 26% year over year. Analysts love the story, but look at the cash flow. Operating cash flow margin is negative 2.4%. They're losing money on every dollar of operations. Net loss is $2.8 billion. Now here's where it gets interesting. The death clock says 135 months of runway. That's over 11 years. So they're not dying tomorrow. But that assumes the burn rate stays constant, and it never does. This is a company buying growth with cash, not earning it. The rule of 40 score is 24. Well below the 40 threshold that separates healthy growth from dangerous growth. I don't trust one AI's opinion, so every flagged company goes through what I call the forensic jury. 3 AI analysts, each with a different lens. The architect breaks down the financial structure. The storyteller challenges the narrative. The Sentinel pulls real-time market intelligence and cross-references analyst consensus. On Rivian, all 3 agree on the core issue. This isn't a death spiral yet, but the path to profitability is unproven. The Sentinel flagged that Rivian's burn rate has actually been narrowing. Losses dropped from $4 billion to $2.8 billion. That nuance? You don't get that from stock screeners. The death clock isn't a sell signal, it's a wake-up call. It tells you to stop listening to the story and start watching the cash. Some zombies recover. Tesla was one. Most don't. The point isn't to predict the future. It's to see clearly the present with real data instead of someone else's opinion. Every time the system flags a new zombie, the alert drops in Occam investing community on Skool. The full analysis from all 3 jurors, the death clock countdown, the rule of 40 breakdown, all free. If you want to follow the cash with me, the link is in the description. And if you want to see the divergence razor in action, well, that's next week.